Hi friends, wish you all a happy new year and welcome to my new channel Stockhood, where I'll be talking about stock analysis and also investing strategies. So before we get started in today's video, I just want to give a quick introduction about myself. I'm basically an IT employee. I've been working in IT industry from last 15 years, and also parallelly I've made some passive income through stock investment, and I have my own investing strategies and analyzing the stock. So I want to share my stock analysis strategies with you so that you also can benefit. Let's get started in today's video. So the stock which we are going to talk about today is related to 5G sector. So I think most of you are already aware that 5G is going to be rolled out in India in coming next 2 or 3 months, probably in February, and lot of companies will benefit from this. Investing in 5G sector at this moment will give you a lot of benefit. So let us look into some of the facts about 5G sector in India. This is the way I'll be sharing videos in future. Also, I'll be sharing a lot of facts so that you are also aware before you invest in such stocks. So since we are talking about 5G sector today, I just want to give you a brief view about how the 5G market is going to pan out in next 5 to 6 years. So you can see here currently in 2020 the market of 5G in India is around 32.43 billion in 2020, and it is going to increase massively to 19,000 billion by 2025. Right, so this is a report from Global Newswire, and let us look into some more details about what 5G technology is in India. Right, so this report basically is in public domain. Right, you can see here these services are going to be rolled out in starting with 4 metros in 2022, early 2022. Cities where it will be rolled out will be Gurugram, Bangalore, Kolkata, Mumbai, and so on. Right, so one of the stock which I am concentrating and very bullish about is Suyog Telematics. So let us get back to the PPT and see what we have on Suyog Telematics. Right, so Suyog Telematics is basically was established in 1995 as a private limited, and then it got converted into a public limited company recently, around 10 years back. So it has been listed in both NSE and BSE. And to look at the product and services which Suyog Telematics have, they are basically in tower erection, fiber network solutions, and pole erections. All right, and basically the business area is around in 12 telecom circles, what you call are the states in the telecom language. Right, it may be Karnataka, Maharashtra. So there are present in 12 Indian states, and they are also having expanding plans. Right, and in coming to their client base, they serve to all major OEMs, telcos, that is Airtel, Jio, Vodafone, BSNL, and previously Tata Communications. So let us get back into the news. Yoke Telematics. Another interesting point I want to bring to you, friends, is what is the requirement of tower erection. You may be asking, Yoke Telematics is basically into tower erection. What is the need of towers in 5G? Right, so to give you a perspective, if there is one tower required for a 4G network coverage, 5G would require a massive deployment of towers and dense fiberification. I have friends in telco industries, and I've been asking them how much towers would be required, right, for a 5G network rollout. It is massive. So if you have one tower for 4G network, you have to deploy almost 3 to 4 on average for 5G deployment. So this company basically Suyog Telematics, which is basically in tower erection, pole erection, and fiber solutions, they are going to benefit massively through this, and they have their client base across all the three major telcos in India. Right, so this will have a definite impact on Suyog Telematics. Right, so talking about the industry and particularly to about this company, let us see how Suyog Telematics is currently performing. Right, so they have a market share about around 425 crores, and then you can let us get into the technical analysis bit later. Let me do a fundamental analysis of how their sales and profits are doing. If you see here, it is clearly evident that they are making good sales. Right, consistently from last 10 quarters they are increasing their sales, their operating profits are good, right? The net profits are good. And also another key point which I noticed here, friends, is about the cash flows, right? If you see they're investing in cash activities, they have deployed huge amounts in fixed asset purchase. So they are getting prepared for this 5G rollout in India, almost around last 2 years at least, right? You see the difference here from last 4 5 years. It has been consistently increasing in their fixed asset purchase, right? And also the share holding pattern is quite good. The promoters also have a good share here. Almost they have near to 50% of the shares are with the promoters, right? And let us see the technicalities, right? One of it is currently trading below the 200 moving day average. It was moving around that range, and now it is start touching the 50-day moving average. And what I have observed here, friends, is whenever it has touched the lower part, right, recently there have been a lot of delivery orders. You can see here on 24th there is almost 92% of delivery order, right? Similarly on 27th, 98%, right? So there is a consolidation happening here. So this is a good stock to keep it in your radar and invest. And if you are investing in this particular share, I think this is slightly a risky company, the small size of the company. If you want to hedge your money with this, I think there are other peer companies which do the similar kind of activities. One is Indus Tower, which is slightly a bigger company in terms of sales and revenue. So this is also another company which you can hedge your money if you are investing in Syok Telematics, or you can do vice versa, right? So this is not a investing recommendation right away, but I this is definitely a company that you can keep it in your radar, right? So was a small video about the 5G technology rollout in India and the companies which is going to benefit in the short term. Please subscribe to my channel and support the new channel, and I'll be coming up with more videos in with a similar fashion. And please share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.